Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we discuss about the first experiment for the search for a genetic material, the Griffith transformation experiment or transforming principle. In 1928, British medical officer Frederick Griffith was working with a Streptococcus pneumoniae, a bacterium that causes a pneumonia. Also called Diplococcus pneumoniae. Okay, that causes a pneumonia. He used two strains of this bacterium, the R strain and S strain. S strain produces a smooth and shiny colonies and is a virulent, मतलब highly infectious. And R strain produce a rough colonies and is a non-virulent. मतलब हार्मलेस है. Okay. Although the distinction was unknown at the time, the virulence of S strain is due to presence of polysaccharide coat, a capsule surrounding each cell. A coat is also reason for a smooth and shiny appearance colony of a S strain, and the R strain is genetically identical except that carry a mutation to form a polysaccharide coat. Okay, there are several types of a S strain according to their distinct chemical composition of a polysaccharide coat. Griffith worked with a two strain, 2S and 3S, the type 2 and type 3 respectively. म्यूटेशन, जब म्यूटेशन होगा तो S cell mutate into the R cells and R cells mutate into the S cell. Mutation are a type specific, means मतलब कि 2S cell are mutate into R cell, then that R cell mutate back only into 2S cell, not a 3S cell. Okay. In this experiment, the Griffith is inject the mice with a different strain of this bacterium and observe the effect onto the mice. Okay. He performed his experiment in a 4-step. In the first step, he inject living 3S bacteria injected into the mice. Observe the result, the mice was dead. After, he collect the blood from the mice heart and isolate the living 3S bacteria from the blood. In second step, he inject a living 2R bacteria. Injected into the mice and mice was survived. In the third step, he inject heat kill 3S bacteria injected into the mice. The result was the mice was survived. Experiment shows that the bacteria both are alive, but to have a polysaccharide coat to be virulent and kill the mice. Okay. In the fourth step, the key experiment, Griffith used the mixture. He injected mixture into the mice. Then he used a living 2R bacteria and a heat kill 3S bacteria mixture. Living 2R bacteria and heat kill 3S bacteria. He inject this mixture into the mice, and the result was the mice was dead. Then he collect the blood from the mice heart and he isolates some 3S bacteria from the blood. Okay. That bacteria not arisen by the mutation. अगर mutation होता तो 2R bacteria will mutate into 2S bacteria, not a 3S bacteria. Griffith concluded that some 2R bacteria are converted into the smooth and virulent 3S bacteria by interacting with a dead 3S bacteria. The genetic material from the dead 3S bacteria वो एडेड हुआ किसमें 2R बैक्टीरिया की जेनेटिक मटेरियल में. The genetic material of dead 3S bacteria was added into the living 2R bacterial genetic material. Okay? इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में जो ग्रिफिथ था वो पहले ऐसा असम्पशन कर रहा था फॉर द जेनेटिक चेंज. जो एजेंट है जेनेटिक मटेरियल इट वाज अ प्रोटीन, बट दैट वाज अ हंच and he turned to be a worm. He don't have any experimental evidence और इस एक्सपेरिमेंट से वो यही साबित नहीं कर पाया कि जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है फॉर अ जेनेटिक चेंज वो क्या है, डीएनए है, आरएनए है या प्रोटीन है. सो ही कॉल्ड दैट एजेंट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग प्रिंसिपल. ओके, फॉर द जेनेटिक चेंज जो एजेंट है द ग्रिफिथ कॉल्ड दिस एजेंट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग अ प्रिंसिपल. इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को आगे बढ़ाया एवरी, मैककार्डी एंड मैकलियोड ने, जो हम हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. आई होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल.